Manipur recorded 39 fresh cases of COVID-19 during the past 24 hours, taking the total tally to 880 with 630 active cases. According to an official report, all the results were confirmed at the Virus Research and Diagnostic Laboratories VRDLs of Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences JNIMS and Regional Institute of Medical Sciences RIMS Imphal. A total of 250 patients have recovered from the disease in the state. Nagaland registered 69 new COVID-19 cases today. With this, the total number of COVID-19 positive cases in the state went up to 280. According to media reports, these new cases are out of 275 samples tested yesterday. State Health Minister S. Pang Newform informed this through his official Twitter handle today. The MIZORAM government yesterday extended total lockdown in Aizawl municipal area, other district headquarters and containment zone areas for another 8 days till June 30th to contain further spread of novel coronavirus. According to reports, the ongoing total lockdown, which came into effect from 9th June, was supposed to expire today. A strong earthquake measuring 5.3 on the Richter scale hit Mizoram's Champhai district early this morning at around 4:10 a.m., said the National Center for Seismology (NSC). Several houses and buildings in the Champhai district were partly damaged due to the quake, a state official said as per a media report. The quake also caused cracks on the highways and roads at several places, he added. The full extent of the damage is yet to be ascertained, the official said. India has reported a spike of 14,821 fresh coronavirus cases in a single day, pushing the country's COVID caseload to over 4.25 lakh. In the past 24 hours, 445 people have succumbed to the virus, which attacks the respiratory organs. India's death toll stood at 13,699 today, according to the daily coronavirus data released by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. National Highway 37 or Imphal-Ziribam Road has remained cut off after quarrying has triggered a major road cave-in at Kesanam village since last Saturday. More than 100 vehicles have remained stranded at the site since June 20th, sources said. NHIDCL is clearing the highway section, but the clearing work may take some more days, reports said. The annual Ambubachi Mela at the historic Kamakhya temple in Guwahati began today. According to media reports, this year the fair is being observed without devotees as only rituals will be performed in the temple till June 25th. Kamakhya temple, located atop Nilachal Hills, is one of the 51 Shakti Peeths in the country. The Ambubachi Mela, an annual fair held at the Kamakhya temple, is the celebration of the annual menstruation course of goddess Ma Kamakhya. The situation continues to remain tense along the 3,488-kilometer-long line of actual control, with both the Indian and the Chinese armies fully deployed, air bases activated and the Navy on standby following June 15th face-off in the Galwan sector, as per a media report. Though the situation has not escalated since the Galwan incident, the Chinese People's Liberation Army (PLA) is continuing troop aggression with support elements on standby, Indian officials familiar with the matter said. The Indian Army positions are also being beefed up in response to the PLA build-up in the Xinjiang and Tibet regions, and the air forces of the two sides are keeping surveillance watch on each other, the officials said. Indian apparel export industry, which showed great agility in switching to production of personal protective equipment (PPE) kits and scaling it up from 0 units to 8 lakh per day in less than 4 months, now wants to grab the lion's share in the $60 billion global market.